everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to the red carpet of 69 Shobha Filmfare Awards South 2024. It's happening right here in Hyderabad and it is so exciting. The red carpet is all ready to welcome your favorite celebrities from the Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Telugu industries. The best movies, the best performances, everything happening today is going to be amazing. Think about your favorite celebrities and we are going to be chatting with all of them and giving you all exclusive conversations, so make sure that you stay tuned.
I'm very happy that Filmfare is happening here and very excited to be on stage.
Good evening, a fantastic evening.
Thank you.
Congratulations, I'll meet you. 69th शोभा फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड साउथ 2024 का हुआ हैदराबाद में आगाज, जहां साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बड़े दिग्गज इकट्ठा हुए एक छत के नीचे, जिसमें तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा और मलयालम सिनेमा के एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स और सिंगर्स हुए शामिल। रेड कार्पेट के ग्लैमरस लुक से लेकर ऑन स्टेज रॉकिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस तक 69th शोभा फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड साउथ 2024 रहा बेहद खास। तो चलिए अब बात करते हैं तेलुगु फिल्म्स की। बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड जीता एक्टर नानी ने पीरियड एक्शन ड्रामा दसरा के लिए। तो वहीं कीर्ति सुरेश ने भी फिल्म दसरा के लिए जीता बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड। तो वहीं फैमिली ड्रामा फिल्म बालागाम के लिए डायरेक्टर वेनु येलडंडी ने बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का खिताब किया अपने नाम। तो बालागाम बनी इस साल की बेस्ट फिल्म और बेस्ट फिल्म क्रिटिक्स बनी साई राजेश की फिल्म बेबी। तो वहीं बेस्ट एक्टर क्रिटिक्स रहा टाई बिटवीन एक्टर प्रकाश राज एंड एक्टर नवीन पॉलीशेट्टी। Hello, Mr. Polishetty. Look at you. The black lady really looks good on you.
क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, she's so pretty. बचपन से I used to watch शाहरुख sir host Filmfare and I was like I used to see this and this feels surreal now.
Now moving on to Tamil films.
बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल के विजेता बने चियान विक्रम फॉर मनी रत्नम्स पोन्नियन सेल्वियन पार्ट 2।
तो बेस्ट फिल्म रही चित्था और उसी के साथ फिल्म चित्था के लिए निमिषा सजायन ने जीता बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल फीमेल का अवार्ड। तो बेस्ट डायरेक्टर के लिए SU अरुण कुमार ने जीता फिल्म चित्था के लिए अवार्ड।
Chitta was made for our children, our future generations, their safety and their well-being. It's a film that needed a lot of sensitivity, a lot of responsibility, and I said on stage that I owe that strength and courage to my sister, my mother and my life partner, because the three women in my life stood by me and helped me to tell this story the way it should be told.
चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं कन्नड़ा फिल्म्स पर। बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल मेल में जीते रक्षित शेट्टी। तो वहीं बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल फीमेल में सिरी रवि कुमार ने किया ये खिताब अपने नाम। बेस्ट फिल्म बनी डेयरडेविल मुस्तफा। तो बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का खिताब जीता हेमंत M राव ने। चलिए अब बढ़ते हैं मलयालम फिल्म्स की ओर। बेस्ट एक्टर का खिताब जीता एक्टर मेमूटी ने फॉर हिज फिल्म नान पक्कल नेरत्ती मायक्कम। तो वहीं बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल फीमेल में जीती विंसी एलोशियस। बेस्ट फिल्म रही 2018। तो वहीं बेस्ट डायरेक्टर रहे जूड एंथनी जोसेफ फॉर 2018। बेस्ट फिल्म क्रिटिक्स रही कथल द कोर। तो वहीं बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस क्रिटिक्स रही ज्योतिका फॉर कथल द कोर और बेस्ट एक्टर क्रिटिक्स रहे जोजू जॉर्ज फॉर हिज फिल्म इराटा। चलिए अब बात करते हैं लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड की, जो जीता कन्नड़ा एक्टर श्रीनाथ ने। इस अवार्ड नाइट में शामिल हुए कई बड़े नाम, जिसमें एक्ट्रेस राशि खन्ना, प्रियामणि, ऐश्वर्या राजेश, नानी, चियान विक्रम, सिद्धार्थ और मलयालम सुपरस्टार मेमूटी के अलावा साउथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के और भी कई दिग्गज हुए शामिल। अपने फेवरेट एक्टर्स को ब्लैक लेडी जीतते हुए देखना फैंस के लिए रहा काफी यादगार। अब देखना ये इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा कि इस आने वाले साल में साउथ सिनेमा की कितनी फिल्म्स रिकॉर्ड तोड़ कमाई कर पाती हैं। I have Kirti Suresh with me and her film is nominated. That's the most special part, isn't it?
It is. And
This
I think
film
it's,
got so much love as well.
yeah, I know, and it's nominated for a lot of categories. So, and I heard my director's already won it, so I'm very, very happy for him and looking out for the best actor and the best actress too.
Hello everybody, I am with the gorgeous Priyamani, looking stunning.
Thank you.
So exciting to meet you in Hyderabad. I keep bumping into you in Mumbai, but this is special, right?
Yes.
And night celebrating the best movies. What are you looking forward to?
I'm just looking forward for a good evening, a fantastic evening. all deserving people have been nominated, and I'll be rooting for the deserving winners.
I have the fantastic Sudhir Babu with me. I am very excited because we've come all the way to Hyderabad and to see all of y'all coming together. It's a night of celebrating movies, sir. Who do you, this year, if you've seen some, who do you think has been doing some exceptional work?
I don't have a track on exactly what are the films that come in this year's list. Yeah, the Nani's been doing a couple of films. Dasara is there, and there's another film of his, Hi Nana, also in the nominations. Yes, so yeah, looking forward. All the best performance and best actors win good awards and all. Yeah.
So amazing.
Thank you and welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you so much. I'm having a lot of fun.
I'm sure and I'm missing Mumbai so much I can't tell you in words. Like,
बस ये हो ना, बस
बस यही है.
ऐसा मौका आप कब मिलता है, right? The best of films, the best of artists, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. I mean, it's the best of the best, right? You've seen in the past 2 years, there've been such phenomenal films. Who are the artists you feel have been really doing some incredible work and films?
Lot of artists are there and including me. बिल्कुल. But मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं और हम उन्हें सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. So this is a wonderful platform for each one of us, where they're appreciating, they're acknowledging our work, our talent, our craftsmanship. So there are a lot of things are going, and I'm really like, I have had this opportunity tonight to join Filmfare, and this is the very first time I'm attending it. I have attended SIMA, IFA, everything, but yeah, Filmfare for the very first time. So I'm quite exuberant about it.
And I'm sure it's going to be the best and the memorable one.
I'm sure.
है ना?
Looking forward to have a gala time.
It's going to be a great night. It is going on. I want to know few films this year that you really think have been path-breaking.
Films this, oh wow. I don't know what this says about me, but I have been at shoot myself too much to actually watch any films. Last year's. I feel like there have been a lot of them. But I think one film that really stayed with me was Inside Out 2. I think in terms of mental health and stuff, it's a really good film that helps kids and adults, because Pixar always does that, approach their own mental health. So yeah.
I'm with the wonderful Parvati, a woman who speaks her mind, and on screen and off screen. It is so wonderful to meet you again.
Wonderful to meet you.
And I think in Hyderabad, this is special.
Yeah.
Celebrating the best of the best from Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu. And this is, I think, the most special part about tonight, right? I wanted to know, because I know she has great choices, to tell me, in the last couple of years, a few films and few actors you think are doing some incredible work and deserve to be loved.
Okay, so there are a lot, especially when it comes to Malayalam. For me, there's a lot. But for me, I think whatever GOBB touches, it just turns out to be a great commentary on what needs to be. So in that sense, when you look at Nimisha, like, and then she did Poacher, and then I'm like, what is going on? So her work, for sure, I'm hoping to see her in a variety of roles. One of the things that happens with, let's say, Fahad doing something like Avesham this year was mind-blowing. Like, it was like him, he did trans, and then Avesham was completely different. So we have newcomers, I mean, relatively newcomers, and we have actors who've been here for a while, honed their talent, proven their mettle, but still kind of pushing the boundaries, pushing envelopes. So I would say, yeah, like that.
Who are you most looking forward to tonight? Some incredible performances are lined up, and you have a lot of interesting nominees.
I'll tell you something. Most of the time, when I'm invited to Filmfare and I have the luck of being nominated or even win, I love that. I love the Black Lady. But it's about what I get to see. I get to actually be around everybody, my colleagues and people who I look up to, and actually enjoy, like, see their persona and their energy just like wafts over you. And that's what I really feel like I come here for. I don't mostly do this for anything else than actually wanting to say hello and say, I love you, okay, I love you too, and all of that. You know, that's what I'm mostly here for. But yes, great nominees, and I'm rooting for all the Malayalam film nominees.
Absolutely. It's an exciting night. We have some exciting things coming from you.
Yes, so this is the third time I'm performing for Filmfare, and it's always a pleasure to be here to meet all the big stars and spend some amazing time with them. So As always, I'm performing this year also. So really looking forward to it. Yeah.
I'm sure we all are looking forward to it. But you know, Sanya, it's a night of celebrating some fantastic movies. If you had to take few picks from the ones that we are celebrating tonight, who have you been cheering really loud for this year?
I really hope Ram Charan sir and all are coming tonight, and I would love to take a picture with him. I hope that happens.
Some of the films in Malayalam cinema that you thought were fantastic.
Yeah, but I think Vincy is there in a nomination for Best Actress in Malayalam, so I really hope she wins tonight. Yeah.
You know, you got so much love from the audience here. And, you know, look at you really doing and living the dream that you always wanted to.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to have entered the Telugu film industry because then they've been nothing but welcoming and they're so kind-hearted and genuinely they want new talent to come in and there's no disparity whatsoever.
So who are you cheering for today? Which movie has really blown your mind this year?
I really am rooting for Mrunal. She's a friend of mine and I really wanted to win. So Hi Nana, of course, that's the one that I really liked from last time.
Such a lovely film as well. Hello.
Welcome to Hyderabad to begin with.
Thank you so much. It's been a very warm welcome. What do you have in store for us? Is some exciting stuff for sure, I know.
It's going to be a film fan night, so it's going to be exciting for sure. But that apart, I think there's going to be a lot of magic tonight because I think this is one of those events where it's about the whole cross-culture South Indian cinema that is happening today, which is beautiful. So based on what I know of the whole event flow, it's going to be a very exciting night.
It's always fun when you also have like your co-stars like Aparna and also kind of joining in, isn't it? Because and you guys got so much love recently.
Yeah, it's been so overwhelming, especially because usually I'm used to this kind of attention from Telugu to my cinema, but for Tamil this has been like magical. Even the kind of response the film has been getting of the song, and so today there's going to be Aparna performing, there's going to be Rashi performing. These are two performances I'm really looking forward to.
So the love for Ryan continues.
Thankfully, it's just 1 week and second week into the film, so I hope it goes on for a while longer in the theaters and then on OTT later. So yeah.
So we are hoping for more collaborations with Dhanush and you then.
I think we've done 2 for this year already. So yeah.
A rumor about yourself that makes you truly laugh. It has to be really funny and ridiculous that you heard recently about yourself.
I have never really heard a funny, ridiculous humor about it. I wish, you know, because most of the rumors are usually the most stressful ones. The funny, ridiculous ones is something I'd like. Like, I don't know, a lot of people think I'm Tamil speaking, like I'm Tamilian, but I'm actually Telugu. Correct. But that's an interesting rumor which I've been hearing about myself. So yeah.
That's okay.
It's an interesting one. It's a nice one. So yeah.
With this beautiful Ruhi, the bundle of joy and the red carpet now truly sparkles. We are in Hyderabad. How amazing is that?
Amazing. I'm very excited to be here. I love Hyderabad. Taj Falaknuma Palace, who doesn't know it? My favorite hotel, and I'm very happy to be here.
It's such an exciting night. You know, we have such incredible films being celebrated.
Right.
Who are you most rooting for?
Honestly, everybody. I think may the best film win, may the best actors win. I'm here to sort of experience South and the color and the beauty it has, the energy it has, and it's my first time at Filmfare South. So I'm just looking forward to the night.
It looks incredible. We have Gayatri performing.
Oh, go Gayatri! I'm here for you.
What's going to happen? What is the exciting thing that's happening tonight?
Oh my God. I think for the first time ever, we are 3 hosts on the stage. And yeah, we've been rehearsing from yesterday. And Sandeep is already there. Faria, you know, she's a Entu cutlet. So we've had so much fun. So looking forward for this night.
You know, like you said, there's been so many films this year, right? Tell me some that you've really enjoyed watching and, you know, you definitely are rooting for.
This year, I think Kalki is a sensation. And what a visual treat it was. And I thoroughly enjoyed watching it.
Absolutely. Okay, when it's hosting, you know, you get away with it cracking a lot of jokes. Are you going to go there or not?
Hopefully, yes. We worked a lot coordinating with Sandeep and Faria. We've done a lot of it in the rehearsals as well. So I hope all of that works on the main stage tonight.
I'm sure you'll be fantastic and you're looking beautiful.
This is my first film fair, so I'm feeling really excited. All stars under one roof, so looking forward to it. And you're looking lovely.
Thank you. You look fantastic.
Green flag.
Green for you. Green and blue always get along well. But you know, I want to know, so many wonderful films, and you're in this profession. Actors want to experiment. What films do you think people have really experimented with this year? According to you?
I think after COVID, people are experimenting a lot with films, especially with thrillers. I think all the films, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, everything is thriller, all about thriller. So I think nowadays people are making more realistic films and not just glamorous films, and making more sense to it. Now films are not about just heroine, but about story and characters.
Which is fantastic. So who are you rooting for tonight? There's so many nominees.
Let's see. I'm a big Allu Arjun fan. So any day I would choose him.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing, girl?
I am doing great now that I have met you. Familiar faces are always fantastic. But tell me, Hyderabad is home to you?
Yes, definitely it's a home to me, and I'm feeling very happy about the fact that one of my film released yesterday, and today I am attending film fair. और मैं आपको भी मिल लिया, तो क्या vibe है मेरी आज?
Oh, I love it. बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, right? If you had to take your quick pick as to who is Manra supporting, there are so many fantastic films this year. Who would that be and why?
I think there are South India is something which has really made me learn how to act, how to be in front of the screen. So there is not any specific one film I'm rooting for, because I think the rawness, the quickness and the spontaneity which you have in South Indian cinema, and the conviction which they go on, like all India on the pan India level, I cannot really root for one particular film, but may the best one win. But for me, whosoever is getting nominated tonight, they all are winners in their own entity.
Fantastic to come here and celebrate films, right? So you'll have to tell me a few films that you've loved this year, some nominees you're really rooting for.
Lot of films, but I can't choose one.
You can name multiple.
Tell me which ones.
Mammootty sir's Kathal, then there's Ponniyin Selvan, then there's so many others.
So I've been a Mani Ratnam sir's fan, so Ponniyin Selvan. Yeah.
Ponniyin Selvan, of course. And, of course, I'm going to ask you some fun questions now. Are you ready? Okay. A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. A really funny one.
It's not a funny one, but people always thought I was a South Indian. But I'm from North India actually. But people always thought that I belong to Chennai, and I made my debut in a Tamil film. So yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah.
Look at her. What a vision.
Thank you so much. I'm wearing Abhishek tonight, so it's his vision that came into life.
That's fantastic. But of course, this is your first time, right?
No, it's my third time, but first time in the South Film Fair.
The South?
Yeah,
This is the first time in South Film. Tell me, what are you expecting? Who are you hoping you bump into?
You see, this is my first time coming to South, but I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a pure South Indian, so I think all my childhood dreams of meeting all the celebs and watching them perform are going to come alive today, so...
This is so exciting. Is there any particular nominee that you're really rooting for tonight?
I guess I'm just rooting for everyone who's been nominated, and may the best one win. Of course, all of them are winners, so may the best one win.
Hi, I'm Neha Bajaj. You're watching me on Zoom. और आज मैं हूँ 69th शोभा फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स 2024 में, और मेरे साथ हैं मिस प्रिशा, जिनको हम सब जानते हैं. And so how excited are you for tonight?
Well, I'm very, very excited as this is my first time ever for Filmfare. I grown up watching Filmfare Award. My favorite celebrities are performing here. So, well, I'm looking forward for Gayatri's performance today. She's performing tonight, and I'm very excited for her. That's our buddy got released, and my buddy is performing. So yeah.
And I'm so excited to be meeting Rashi, the red carpet here in Hyderabad. Feel ही अलग है, because it's look at the electric atmosphere, because everybody knows that she's performing, and let's talk about that.
I'm very excited. I think mine is the only melody which has songs from all the languages. So I'm pretty excited. It's also the longest, but I enjoy dancing on stage, and Hyderabad is my city. So I'm very happy that Filmfare is happening here, and very excited to be on stage.
Some fun questions, Sanya. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay. If you had to swap your life with another actor, who would you choose and why?
With Samantha. I really like her. I think she's spectacular. I look up. She's my fitness inspiration, by the way. Her photo is up on my vision board.
That's quite difficult. I'd say Shah Rukh Khan.
Good one.
I love him so.
Ideally, nobody. I'm very, very happy with my life. But if I really had to, anybody would want to choose someone like Shah Rukh, right? Why not?
I think I'll choose Nayanthara ma'am.
Maybe Angelina Jolie.
Trisha Krishnan. I love her.
Who, according to you, is the most entertaining actor?
I think Ranveer Singh has got too much of energy. That's, you just cannot keep him calm.
Kareena Kapoor. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
My favorite, Ravi Teja sir. I was fortunate enough to do my first ever film with him, Telugu film. So I think he's super entertaining.
Basil Joseph, hell yeah.
One underrated actor from the industries that we have.
Naveen Polishetty. Just love him. Love his acting.
Should I name myself for that? Am I allowed to? Thank you. Me?
An actor you think has been really, truly experimental this year?
Dhanush to begin with Captain Miller, and then with Ryan. He's also directed his film. It takes a lot of guts to make that kind of a film on your 50th film and direct it, and give so much screen space to your co-stars. So I think he deserves that.
Okay, a rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. It has to be a funny one.
That I have done plastic surgeries, you know, and I've done some jobs and stuff. So that's some nasty stuff.
I'm married, but a lot of people ask, are you?
Every time they got me married so many times.
There were rumors that I've been designing for my, the heroine in my film. I can't design my own clothes, so yeah. So that's it's a rumor that I had to laugh. Everybody who ever listens to that will laugh.
अभी recently एक आया था कि मेरी शादी प्रभास से हो गई. मैंने manifest कर लिया.
I've never heard a rumor about me. Please start rumors about me. I want to know what you guys think of me.
What a celebration, and it was an honor to see all of you all come together. The Black Lady goes home with you.
Yeah. It's with me. So happy. Thank you, Filmfare, for this wonderful award.
No, absolutely. And Irad has been a film that everybody has shown a lot of love. You know, I heard your speech, and it was truly heartfelt because you said it didn't work at the theaters, but everybody showed so much love when it came on OTT.
Yeah.
But I think that's the dilemma of an artist, right? You're constantly being questioned on your choices, and I think you've done some incredible ones. How do you maintain that balance, sir?
Maintaining it's for me this all about survival.
Yeah.
So if I do better, I will be successful in film industry. So I'm trying to do my best. I'm studying and I'm keep doing. That's all.
Okay. The last question is, sir, there are a lot of people who say they want to collaborate with you because you have really contributed to the industry. Who are few artists that you want to collaborate with, few actors, and do some great projects?
Anybody who knows cinema.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. Of course, I am with the winner. Hello, Mr. Polishetty. Look at you. The Black Lady really looks good on your hands. Look at it.
क्या ही बोलूं मैं? She's so pretty. बचपन से I used to watch Shahrukh sir host Filmfare, and I was like, I used to see this, and this feels surreal now.
Yeah. You know, they say there are different ways of validation, but this is definitely one of them, isn't it?
This is the number one. It's like I hope I get this validation every year. Previous films also got nominated. This time also I was like, नहीं देंगे यार, ये फिर से suit waste होगा. So luckily the suit is not wasted this time, guys.
You've come like this, I still want to ask you, how do you plan to party now? You have to celebrate.
यार I'm not a big party guy.
Yeah.
You know, I
In your own way, but partying can be different ways, right?
Yeah. So first thing I'll probably go and sleep right now, but tomorrow I'll host a party with friends and family. So yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very well deserved, and many more Black Ladies to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Zulu.
Hi, this is Rudani, and this is my favorite corners because the best actors win, and this is the winners' corner. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So well deserved, Siddharth.
When it rains, it pours.
It definitely was,
Yeah.
but I think, Abe, how amazing do you sing?
Oh, thank you.
What's happening with both you and Aditi? There's an album. Please drop it. Please drop
for
it.
sure. I will definitely tell her you said that.
But no, you were very good on stage as well.
Thank you.
Now, for people who don't know, what you said inside, if you could, in free-flying style, if you could redo your speech when you're getting there, what would you tell them?
No, Chitta was made for our children, our future generations, their safety and their well-being. It's a film that needed a lot of sensitivity, a lot of responsibility. And I said on stage that I owe that strength and courage to my sister, my mother, and my life partner, because the three women in my life stood by me and helped me to tell this story the way it should be told.
Fantastic. The last question is, you have the two lovely ladies, the Black Ladies on your hand. How do you plan to go and celebrate after this?
Well, I'm very excited. I'm also, like I said, I'm here with a very young team, and we've won 6 awards tonight.
That's it, just 6.
Yeah, and I'm really grateful because the universe is listening.
Yeah.
And this is a film that took 2 years to make, and it did really well wherever it was viewed. But it's very important to me that it did well on the award stage as well. And I share this award with my entire team of technicians, my wonderfully young team of actors, my director Arun Kumar, and of course my father, who's the CFO of my company, and he's the reason I was able to make this film at the right budget, and it helps us to plan our next films as well. And this is for Etaki Entertainment, my baby. This is our 4th feature and our 5th production overall, and I feel like Etaki Entertainment has started to take her first, concrete steps towards a long innings. And thank you so much for blessing me and my team.
You take home the Black Lady.
Yeah.
What does this mean for you?
This is my third Black Lady, and since my childhood, I've seen Shah Rukh Khan taking it so many times that I always wanted to take it once. Yeah, this is the most happiest moment and the best of all the awards.
Actually, you've been made incredible choices, and one has been always different from the other. I mean, I wouldn't say awards motivate you, but you kind of keep going at it. What is it? How do you do that? How do you keep the balance?
You mean the kind of films I choose?
Yeah, and always.
So I'm very passionate about cinema, first of all. So I like to experiment, and more than the characters I play, I like to work with new directors, and obviously what they bring on the table. Yeah.
I want to end it by saying they say that the Shetty brothers changed the game for Kannada cinema in a lot of ways because you all really brought it back and content and all of that, right? What is it one thing that Rachit you truly want to see change in Kannada cinema or in any other industry?
I personally would want to see at least 12 to 15 good filmmakers in Kannada film industry, and at least churn out at least 10 good films in Kannada every year.
Fantastic. I hope you go and celebrate. We all know that nobody can look that good like Sir does. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
What are your thoughts? I mean, Natu became this world phenomenon, right? Everybody celebrated it. Everybody, they loved the dance steps and they said, oh, what choreography? Is there any other validation you need?
No. Every day I used to think I'm a new choreographer. So this is also this is our 6th. Filmfare is my 6th award, but I'm feeling like, when I take it the first time, same feel I'm having the Vinay. I'll learn it.
Who, according to you, is the best dancer in the industry, sir?
Everybody having one style, different styles. Everybody is the best dancer because if I am my own style, Prabhudev Master one style, but everybody is a good dancer style. Like that only all artists are good dancers.
Any few that you'd like to name who you think have their own?
I love Prabhudev. He's also hero, right?
Absolutely, of course he is. No. And to end it, how do you feel about the reactions that you've got for the, again I'm mentioning Natu, because has it settled in that you got this kind of a love?
Yeah, I'm so happy. And then there's so much of hard work there behind that. This is also hard work only. But Rajamouli said taken there. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir, and have a great night ahead. Thank you. Best Supporting Actor. Congratulations. Well deserved. It was not an easy role. More importantly, it was a role that not many would have done. And I think there's victory in that. And how are you feeling?
I mean, it was definitely a tough decision to make, but I guess just like you put it, it's not an easy role for everyone. To be getting that offer to play something like this is what more important, and I guess with the right support team and with the right intent, everything turns out, and I feel with the belief in yourself, everything turns out.
Okay, so what are you going to do now? How do you plan to celebrate? Let's talk about that. The beautiful Black Lady in your hand.
It's indeed quite gratifying, I should say that. But I think I have a family that supports me and holds more pride in my journey. I guess I'll wait for me to get back home and maybe open the champagne.
But it was a absolutely electric atmosphere inside to see people really cheering for the actors, right? And you've been there, and you've seen so many nominees. Who have been some people that you've really, really enjoyed watching on screen this year?
A lot of them actually. In fact, for the same film, I had Mr. Jojo, and I'm from Malayalam cinema. Jojo and me were together in this film, Thurumugam. Jojo, in fact, won an award for another film, which is Irata, that's right. So, Nimisha, my little girl, she played my girl, she played my son's wife in the film Thuramugam, and we shared a great bond, and I feel a lot of Parvati was here, and we are good friends as well. So I just feel that most importantly, it's this platform where the whole South Indian talent come together is incredible in terms of energies, in terms of exposure, in terms of affirmation for everyone's dream and their journey. And it's so needed because it's kind of lifts you up in a lot of ways, you know. It kind of gives you a lot of hope and faith in your doings.
I hope you had a great time watching the show because we definitely had a lot of fun. Well, make sure that you keep watching Zoom and subscribe to Zoom's YouTube channel for all the updates on entertainment. Thank you.